If you want to enhance your PayPal security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it and then select the security tab to access your security settings. Step 3. Manage devices. In the security section, look for an option that says Manage Devices or Manage Authorized Devices. Click on this option to view all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Identify all devices. Review the list of devices and identify any that you no longer use or recognize. Take note of these devices for removal. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove. There should be an option to remove or forget these devices. Confirm your choice to ensure they are no longer associated with your account. By following these steps, you can easily remove old devices from your PayPal security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly managing your devices is a good practice for maintaining your online security.